Milk is a remarkable biological fluid with unique physical and chemical properties that define its flavor, color, acidity, viscosity, and overall quality. For detailed notes, check the link in the description. Milk is a complex biological fluid with unique physical and chemical properties that influence its sensory characteristics, processing behavior, and nutritional quality. These properties vary based on species, breed, diet, and environmental conditions. Flavor. The characteristic flavor of milk is mild, slightly sweet, and creamy, primarily due to its composition of lactose, fat, proteins, and minerals. Fresh. Milk has a pleasant taste, but various factors can lead to flavor deterioration. Lipid oxidation, especially in unsaturated fatty acids, results in rancid or oxidized flavors. Microbial activity, particularly by lactic acid bacteria, causes sourness due to the fermentation of lactose into lactic acid. Environmental and dietary factors, such as feed contamination with strong-flavored weeds or silage, can impart undesirable odors. Processing methods like pasteurization may also modify the flavor by inducing cooked or caramelized notes due to Maillard reactions. Color. Milk appears white and opaque due to the scattering of light by fat globules and casein micelles. The exact shade of milk varies depending on its fat and pigment content. Carotenoids, beta-carotene, present in cow's milk, impart a yellowish tinge, which is more pronounced in breeds like Jersey and Guernsey. In contrast, buffalo milk appears whiter due to the absence of beta-carotene. The presence of riboflavin contributes to a slight greenish tinge, especially in skim milk. Fat content also plays a role, as high-fat milk appears more opaque, while low-fat or skim milk appears bluish due to the increased scattering of short-wavelength light. Acidity. Milk has a natural acidity ranging from 0.12% to 0.16%, even in the absence of bacterial fermentation. This is due to dissolved carbon dioxide, casein, albumin, phosphates, and citrates, rather than the presence of actual lactic acid. The pH of fresh cow milk typically ranges between 6.6 and 6.8, while buffalo milk has a slightly higher pH of 6.7 to 6.9. As milk undergoes bacterial fermentation, lactic acid production increases, causing a drop in pH and an increase in titratable acidity. A pH below 6.5 indicates significant acid development, leading to coagulation and souring of milk. Viscosity. Milk exhibits non-Newtonian flow behavior, meaning its viscosity is influenced by its composition and external conditions. The viscosity of milk is higher in species with greater fat and protein content, such as buffalo and sheep milk, compared to cow milk. Factors affecting viscosity include fat content, where higher fat increases thickness due to the larger size of fat globules. Protein concentration, particularly the presence of casein micelles and whey proteins, enhances viscosity. Temperature plays a crucial role, with higher temperatures reducing viscosity as fat globules melt and molecular interactions weaken. Processing methods such as homogenization increase viscosity by reducing fat globule size and improving dispersion, whereas heating causes protein denaturation, further thickening the milk. Specific gravity. The specific gravity of milk is defined as the ratio of its density to that of water at the same temperature. It ranges between 1.028 and 1.032 for cow milk and 1.03. 2.034 for buffalo milk, with skim milk having a higher specific gravity due to the absence of fat. The specific gravity of milk is affected by fat content, with higher fat leading to lower density since fat is less dense than water. Conversely, a higher concentration of solids not fat, SNF, including proteins and minerals, increases specific gravity. Temperature also influences density, with increasing temperature causing thermal expansion and a subsequent decrease in specific gravity. Freezing point. Milk has a freezing point slightly lower than water due to the presence of dissolved solutes, such as lactose, minerals, and proteins. The typical freezing point of milk ranges from -0.54 degrees Celsius to -0.58 degrees Celsius. This property is critical for detecting adulteration with water, as added water raises the freezing point closer to 0 degrees Celsius. Minor variations in the freezing point can occur due to fluctuations in lactose and mineral content. Freezing point determination is a standard quality control test in dairy industries to ensure milk authenticity and purity. Boiling point. The boiling point of milk is slightly higher than that of water due to the presence of dissolved solids, primarily lactose and minerals. It typically ranges between 100.2 degrees Celsius and 100.5 degrees Celsius under normal atmospheric conditions. The boiling point is influenced by the concentration of milk solids, with higher protein and mineral content leading to slight elevation. Additionally, at higher altitudes, the boiling point of milk decreases due to reduced atmospheric pressure similar to the behavior of water. Prolonged boiling can cause protein denaturation, fat destabilization, and Maillard reactions, leading to changes in flavor and texture. Understanding these properties is crucial in dairy technology and quality control. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on food science and technology.